Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Azad Jammu Kashmir Textbook Board. This is Hamna bint Shehzad. Dear students, आज के इस वीडियो लेसन में हम देखेंगे साइंस फॉर द ग्रेड 6 का यूनिट नंबर 12 एंड द टाइटल ऑफ यूनिट इज द सोलर सिस्टम। आज का हमारा जो वीडियो लेसन है उस वीडियो लेसन में हम एक्सरसाइज देखेंगे। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। गिव डिटेल्ड आंसर्स। राइट अ डिटेल्ड नोट ऑन द सोलर सिस्टम। We also know that our earth revolves around the sun. Earth is a planet. A planet is a large body of matter that revolves around a star such as the sun. The earth is the only object that revolves around the sun. Many other planets and natural satellites also moves around the sun. All these objects make the sun family called the solar system. The solar system is a collection of planets and all the objects that move around the sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The 4 planets closer to the sun are called rocky planets and the 4 planets furthest from the sun are called gaseous planets. Describe the characteristics of comets. Besides planets and asteroids, some other objects also orbit the sun. These are comets. A comet is a large ball of ice and dust that orbit the sun. Comets move around the sun in an elliptical path. They take a very long time to complete their one orbit around the sun. Comets probably come from the far outer edge of the solar system. They are only seen when they come close to the sun. A comet has 3 parts, a head, and tail. The head is made of the ice, particles of rocks and gases. The head of the most comets are only a few kilometers wide. When a comet comes near the sun, gases escape from its head due to the heat of the sun. A large fuzzy circular cloud around the head of a comet is called coma. During orbiting near the sun, a long tail of gases and dusted particle is formed behind the comet that looks bright due to the light of the sun. This tail can be millions of kilometers long. The tail of a comet points away from the sun. Comets far away from the sun bear no tails. Most of the time, comets remain far away from the sun. A comet known as Comet Halley has appeared in the sky many times. It appears after every 76 years. It was seen in 1986 for the last time. When we can expect to see it again? Obviously, after 76 years. Explain how artificial satellites have improved our knowledge about the space. There are many man-made satellites orbiting the earth. These are called artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are very important for mankind. The first artificial satellite was sent by Russia in 1957. It was named Sputnik 1. Launching of this satellite opened new horizon for the scientists. After a few years of launching Sputnik 1, Russia sent Yuri Gagarin, the first man into the space. Since then, thousands of satellites have been sent into the space. Write note on asteroids. An asteroid is a piece of a rock that orbits the sun between Mars and Jupiter. The astronomers have discovered thousands of asteroids. Asteroids are made of rock, metals or minerals. Most of the asteroids orbit the sun between Mars and Jupiter. This band is called the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt is about 1,500,000 kilometers wide. Asteroids come in all shapes and sizes. Sputnik 1. On October 4, 1957, Russia sent the world's first artificial satellite Sputnik 1 into the space. The name comes from the Russian word for traveling companion of the world. It weighed just 83 kg. It carried a thermometer and 2 radio transmitters which sent information about the atmosphere to the earth. Its 2 transmitters only functioned for 21 days. After 57 days in orbit, it was destroyed. Global Positioning System. Locating the position of objects with the help of satellite is called the Global Positioning System or GPS. It is a highly accurate navigation and location system. GPS is a satellite-based system. With a GPS receiver, we can find our position anywhere in the world, accurate up to 10 meters or less. GPS system comprises of many satellites orbiting the earth. The satellite transmit radio signals throughout the world all the time. A GPS receiver on earth uses the radio signals to calculate the location of the object. 12.4 Constructed Response Question. It is said astronomers and the other scientists continually make predictions about space and solar system. Some predictions have been proven, some have been disproved. Some are still awaiting. How is making predictions an important part of science? Prediction help us to change our lifestyle and things according to that. Shahid claims that all planets in the solar system are alike because once they were the part of this star. What do you think? Is Earth similar to or different from the other planets in your system? Explain. No, Earth is different from the other planets because it is the only planet which support life, and other planets are either too hot or too cold to support the life, and some planets have poisonous gases too. While humans ever travel to another planet, which one is the most likely target? What characteristics of that planet make it favorite? No, because Earth is the only planet which supports the life. आई होप आपको वीडियो लेसन पसंद आया होगा। एक नए वीडियो लेसन के साथ हम फिर मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।